Hey everyone, it's Jonathan. Today I'm here to report the train, and today I am out on the layout. I have a G-Skill engine I got a few months ago. Let's see if we can get the camera to focus. You can kind of see it. It's made by Bachmann, if I didn't already say that. There's also a branch line in progress, but I ran out of track. So now that I have two engines, I need a line for each. Then I'm hoping to one day get a third as a shunter. But enough with that, let's just show you this running. We're going to bring it to speed 60. These are, of course, look, why can't I? These are controlled by Vivo remote. Both my trains. The remote looks like that. Let's try to get more of a close-up on the train. If the train goes off camera, I'm probably just getting too caught up watching it. Earlier it seemed like it was going to rain, so I was hoping to get some on the in the rain footage of the train running. Oh, and it derailed, so that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like. And see you next time. Bye.